Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video I'm going to show you a free video creator app. Now this is my channel. I show different ways to make money with video. I use different video creating tools, and I upload videos to places like Fiverr, TikTok, Facebook, Upwork, places like that, guys. Wherever you can make money, I upload videos to it, and I use different ways to upload them, different like styles and that. But enough about me. If you want to check out the channel, feel free to. But let's get straight into it and show you this cool video app. Yeah, video creator app. Now the company is called InVideo. Now I have spoke about it before on the channel, and I use it every single day. I think it's awesome, and you can get it free. Yes, there is paid versions, but you do not need to pay for it, guys. It is totally free. Yep, and companies like IBM, AT&T, CNN, Dropbox, Microsoft, P&G, CNBC, they all use it, guys. They're all InVideo users, and it's simple. You select a template, you customize it to like add your own text, your own logo, etc., your own colors, and then you export and upload. It is that simple. Over 3,500 templates covering every industry, guys. So if you want to create videos for plumbers, for joiners, for dentists, you name it, guys, you can create them. Or you can just create them for your own channels, your own social medias. It's that easy. Automatically convert text to video. Now this is cool, guys. You convert an article into an engaging video with just one click using our text to video tool. A natural sounding voice reads out the words and images and automatically selected to match the text. It is very clever, guys. So if you've got a website, a blog post, or you just want to create some text into a video, you just copy it, you paste it into InVideo, and it will do the job for you, guys. It will create a video. It will use copyright, like images and videos and music, what is free, so you won't get in trouble off YouTube because it's you've got the rights to use it, guys. Yeah, it's free for life. Complete control and flexibility. With our easy to use platform, you can drag and drop, upload pictures and videos, add music, add text. Our platform works across all languages, guys. So you've got your templates, it's got like 3 different things you can do, guys. You've got your templates, you've got your text to video, which we just spoke about, which is very clever, yeah, and I'll show you good money for that. And then blank canvas. So if you're feeling creative, guys, and you don't want to mess around with the templates, just go on blank canvas and create your own, guys. It's like a video editor. You can create them into wide versions, so you like your YouTube and that. You've got your vertical for your TikTok and Instagram, and you've got square for your Facebook. Now it shows you what's trending, and any of these templates, guys, you can click on it, you can change them around. Yeah, you've got complete control. So if you don't like something on a template, you can just delete it. If you want something added, you just add it. You change the text, you change the colors, change the music. It's up to you, guys. Like I said, it's very good InVideo. I like it a lot. And even if you've got the paid version, guys, which you don't need it, if you do, it's not even that expensive. I'll show you the prices in a minute. So like, you can just scroll over any of the templates. It'll show you like what it's like, basically. Yeah, so if you've got like a sports channel, you can upload things like this, like top 5 batsmen in the world. Quite cool, guys. But not only that, guys, you get recently added, so they're always updating new ones. Yeah, so you can scroll through any of these, you can check them out, and every month they will upload like ones for special days. So for instance, on the 22nd, yeah, it's Earth Day. So they've got like 7 different templates made for that. Like on July the 4th, they have lots of different ones for that. For Easter, for Christmas, yeah, you name it, guys, they get it covered for you. And then you can do intros and logo reveals, so you can put your own logos on, you can put a company's logo on, you can sell these, guys. Yeah, you got your video ads, which is very important for like on Facebook and that. You can go, look, a karate dojo, yeah, guest house, whatever business you want to make a video for, they've already got it covered, guys. So you just have to edit it, put your company's or your local business's logo and details on, and sell it on, guys. Yeah, you've got your slideshows, you've got your business presentations, you've got invites and wishes, you've got offers, discounts, video collages, webinar promos, quote videos, video testimonials, product video ads, brand and social. You've got a lot. See, there's so many, guys. Yeah. Now let me just go back up to where it says here, text to video. Now these guys is where you copy and paste the text, and it will automatically make a video like this if you chose this one, and it adds the video to it. Yeah, or this. Yeah. So you've got all these different styles, different templates you can choose for. So you can edit them, you get the ones you want, guys. Like this one here. It's got the text on the bottom. They make cool videos. Now, if you come over to a place called Fiverr, yeah, and you type in video, you can see all these different items you can click on, and you can make it's called a gig, yeah. So let me just show you this one. I typed in text to video. If you see, these are the kind of videos what you can make. Now look, 106 people are buying this for £3.82, but it's $5, yeah. 56. And again, another one, another one, another one, another one. You just upload it, guys. Now you might think lots of people have already uploaded, so you're not going to do it. But if you create a gig for text to video, right? That's one advert. That's one of your like gigs uploads. One advert for you, yeah. Then you come out, you make another gig for video explainer, product video, video ads, whatever you can think of, you can make it. So if you come back over to here, let's go back over to templates. Yeah. So you could type in intros and logos. Yeah. So you can, let's have a look. Video intro. Look, you've got all these different people making video intros, yeah, and logos. You can do this as well, guys. Then you can type in video ads, yeah. Then type in slideshows, business presentations. You can do it all on Fiverr, so you can have lots of different gigs, advertising, each different kinds of videos you can create. People contact you because they want it, yeah. They can't be bothered. Some people can't be bothered to make their own video, so they come to Fiverr and Upwork and other freelancing websites, yeah. There's lots of them, guys. Just type in on Google freelancer websites, and you'll bring up loads. So you just put your contact details and your type of videos you can make on those websites, and you're going to be making some money, guys, because they'll be contacting you. Because, like I said, some people don't want to do this; they ain't got time to do this, yeah. So they'll come on and hire freelancers like yourself, like me, and that's how you start making money, guys. Yeah. So again, let's go back over to it and let's have a look at the pricing. Yeah. So look, guys, free. For anyone validating in video as a professional video creation tool, yeah, $0 a month. Let me just put that on monthly. Watermark free videos, 3,500 video templates, 3 million standard media library, automated text to speech, 15-minute video duration per video. Yeah, it is completely free, guys. Why not just sign up and use it? Yeah. Start selling some videos, and then if you start once you start making some videos, you might want all this extra stuff anyway. Yeah, so you can remove the background. You get 20 removed background credits, 60 video exports per month, 1 million premium media, so 10 iStock media per month, and everything in the free plan. So you might want this. Yeah. So then once you start making money, it's just $20 a month. That's it, guys. $20 a month isn't much. So if you sell a couple of videos over on Fiverr, yeah, and you think, I want all these extra stuff, I'm going to use it as a tool for my business, you can start paying it. But you don't have to. This is what I'm talking about. You do not have to, guys. You can get it for free. Yeah. The link is in the description of this video, so feel free to just click on that link, sign up, and there you go, guys. You've got InVideo. It is a great tool. If you want to pay yearly, if you decide it, then it works out as £10 a month. Yeah. But I pay for the $20 a month, guys, because I use it all the time. Yeah, you can try it for 14 days, or you can just get started and get it for free. Like I said, guys, it's and you have you can use these. So you can like have blogs and it shows you how to do it and that, tutorials, yeah, different categories. So make professional videos in 5 minutes, guys. It's easy and it's free, yeah. So that is it, guys. This is your free video creator app, and why not get it, guys? It's free and it is awesome. You can sell these videos. You can even, one of the things I do with it, guys, I create a video. Say, for instance, I'll pick a subject, so I might click dentists, yeah, and I download a few different videos for dentists. Then I go over onto Google and Facebook, and I contact businesses and I offer the videos, yeah, and say I can make these type of videos. Are you interested, etc. And okay, not everyone's going to buy a video off you, but some do. And then that's how you can start building your own business as a video creator or a video marketer. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and click the link in the description, guys, and sign up and get it for free. Hope you liked it. Thanks very much. Goodbye.